Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you what you can make from an old tape measure. And now let's start disassembling our old tape measure. For this DIY project, we'll only need the spool with the spring. Now take two worn out grinder discs and apply glue to one of them. And glue the spool with the spring to the disc. Next, take an end cap from a sewer pipe, mark it, and cut off the unnecessary part. In the center of the end cap, you need to drill a hole with a 6mm drill bit. Now take a 6mm bolt and make a cut in it. This is how it should look. Insert the bolt into the end cap and tighten it with a nut. To be continued, take the spool with the spring, remove its cover, and hook the spring into the slot in the bolt. Now take the second grinder disc and attach the socket to it. Now glue this disc to the spool with the spring, just like we did with the first one. Next, you'll need a sewer pipe coupling, from which you need to cut off a small part. Apply glue to the cap and put on the cut-off part from the coupling. After that, take a few meters of copper cable with a cross-section of 0.75mm tooth, connect it to the socket and wind it onto the spool. Drill a hole to route the cable out. I attach a binder clip to the cable to keep it from being pulled in. Now we put on the second cap, in which I made a hole for the socket off camera. And at this stage we screw on the socket cover. As you can see, the coil is winding up. Now, instead of a binder clip, I'm attaching a clamp that came from the elastic band of a sports jacket. Next, all that's left is to screw on the plug and our homemade device is finished. And this is the kind of wonderful and compact extension cord we ended up with. I wound about 4 meters of copper cable with a cross section of 0.75mm tooth onto it. But the spool isn't full, and you could wind about 6 more meters onto it. It would definitely fit, I just didn't have any more. To keep the spool from winding up, just secure the cable with a clamp. You can connect various power tools to this kind of extension cord, and it will easily handle it. The extension cord is convenient because the spool winds up, it doesn't take up much space, and it easily fits into toolboxes. Anyone who does various construction work, I think, will appreciate this homemade device. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Goodbye everyone.